Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
U MP ka Lok Sabha na Shillong constituency uba Vincent H. Pala ulatay pop da kabakeno baka United Democratic Party kabadon lang ha kasorkar MDA kalalumpi sa arsya na kitrok kibakit ya Dewïong habayanu jor ha kapor baka National People's Party kadang bat ya katanat kampo yeng jong kasorkar jela. Habaya keren bat kilat patay kubor uba Vincent H. Pala ulakan tho man baka NPP kadang bat ya katanat kampo yeng kipai ba kamtam nerilom jentia kibaju im kamay jakpo da kakam Khaïi Dewïong ki habban seo pisa hadu san pau hajar tengka kawai katrok henry mentapat nado baka UDP kalabat ya kani katanat kitrok kit Dewïong kila habban seo pisa arsya nakabaki juseo mensyua. Kani kajing kentho jong uba pala kalong hadin kajing dawa badangshan jong ka UDP ya menteri rangba jong ka jela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ban wengno ya James PK Sangma nakakam ko menteri katanat sam boarding.
The present government during the election they always talk a big dream for the future. So whenever you ask them they'll talk for the past and the future. They don't talk about the present. Where their job is to look for the present. That means that they admitted that the past Congress has failed. In the present they have failed, but they don't admit, and they give you a dream for the future. If they cannot do for the present, why should you dream for the future? So I think that's why they get lost. They're more busy in criticizing of the past. Your job is to correct. You get a mandate. You got the mandate. So you have to do your job. You have to correct yourselves. Forget about the past. I think if you see how much loan they have taken, loan and loan and loan, more and more loan is taken. How you blame the past? Jobs, they failed. No jobs added. Even those people who got pension, they have not been re-advertised, they have not been refilled. There's no job creations, loan are more, anything. So it's very easy to blame the past. When they fought election, they know. So I think there's that's admission of their failure. Well, one thing I just want to say, I've seen that the UDP has criticized the NPP for the presidential. They demand that the minister should be dropped. But I just want to, through you, I just want to ask a question. I've seen when NPP was holding the home portfolio, there's a huge outcry and they demand that the NPP should give the home portfolio to the UDP. But as a miners, as coal miners and my community, Giant Hills, especially from the castle, they are doing a coal business. I can say that when NPP was holding the home ministry, the people, especially from Giant Hills who are doing a business, they used to pay almost 50,000 per truck. But today, when the UDP is holding the home portfolio, it is doubled. Everybody in the street knows that when the NPP was single, but now it's doubled. So I think I've seen Jibino has written a letter. I will like Jibino. I know Jibino is a very respectable man, clean man, and I would like him also to answer whether a UDP think they are just like a Ganges river. The moment the home minister was changed from a UDP or from an NPP to a UDP, they think that everything will be changed. But people in the street knows who's who. I don't have to say. And same thing, even the power ministry also. I think if it is removed from the NPP, I don't see any expectation of good result if it is given to the UDP. It may be doubled also. From a 6 hours power cut maybe to 12 hours. I don't know. UDP has been sidelined or been neglected by the present government. Especially I think they'll try to raise the issues. Actually, they're trying to wash the dirty linens in the public domain. But I think, I personally feel that the UDP, that they should see the results of the home ministry when they themselves had a huge outcry, remove him, we had a problem. Now they themselves, they cannot say. The president of the UDP, he cannot say anything, and all the UDP party, they cannot say. How will they handle? Power ministry is more complicated than the home ministry. So if they cannot handle the home ministry with uniforms, how will they handle the power ministry? I don't have any high expectations or trust that the UDP will be able to run the NPP. And all these PPs, UDP, BJP, all these PPs are same. They only fight, they only bluff the public. Today, the General Secretary of UDP, by Dewïong, has said that James should be removed. Tomorrow, Barambui said, no, he has done well. So there's a conflict of interest amongst the legislators and the party workers. So I said that I don't think that UDP will be able to decide and UDP will be able to ease the problems of the public. Rather, I think bring more problems to the people if it is changed. I think the MD is handling their fail right from the beginning. They fail in law and order. You see, law and order, I've seen in my own friends in the business, a lot of them have been demanded by the underground. They fail in law and order. They fail in handling the COVID. You have seen how much they have spent and what's the ground reality. They fail in power. They fail everywhere so far. I wish them they could do better. Chief Minister and most of the cabinet colleagues came from the Congress and my friends also. I wish they can do better for the people of Meghalaya, but not up to the expectations which we have. I think if they don't improve themselves, there's always a room for them to improve. If they don't improve themselves, instead of governing, I think they have gone more into looting, corruptions and others. So I personally feel that the people of Meghalaya were really upset with the present government. I came from Kanchi, I came from everywhere. I met many of the workers, NPP workers, UDP workers, because be it UDP, be it NPP, for the Legislative Assembly, they used to vote for them, but for the MP, they used to vote for me. So I used to come and share with them, taking tea in their house, and I'll meet them. So most of them, they said it's not as expectations. I think we should go back to the Congress for the next election. So I personally feel that the people are not very happy with the present government. But there's always a room for them to improve. I wish they can improve for the welfare of the people in Meghalaya.